Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you make a trap and you can catch rabbits and things like that. And I'll have you know, I did kind of copy this off someone else, but I'm just going to show you how I built mine and just see if I got successful. Okay, here's what the trap looks like right now. Well, that's so far. I'm going to show you what to do and like how to set it up. So basically what you're gonna need is like a box like this, just a normal box. And then you just need one sticky like that, one stick like that, and then another stick just like this. Okay. Make sure like you can sharpen it with a knife or something right there. And then you had to have your bait. So basically this is just oatmeal and bread. To get the bread, you just need any ordinary bread. Yeah, it just needs to, like, you just keep on like folding it, playing with it, making it look like into a ball. And then you just add some oatmeal to it. And then when you're done doing that, you take your ball, and then you take this, the pointy part, and you stab that on there. Okay. And then I have these little dough balls down here to bait them, see if like they get a taste of it or something. And you're just gonna need a normal box like this or something. Just cut off the limbs like that. Mine isn't perfect, but it'll still keep the creature inside of it. And then what you're gonna need, and then when you do that, you're gonna need to cut something like that. And then you're gonna take your box. Okay, you take your box like that. Sorry. Okay. You take your box. Take this stick. Make my box a little forward. You do that. You see this part? You put it like right there. Right there. You adjust it to how you want it. Okay. Okay. And you see what the creature's gonna do. It's gonna come in here. It's gonna nibble on that dough ball, and when it nibbles on it, it's gonna catch them. That's what it's gonna do. Okay, now I'm gonna set my trapper back up and see if I can catch anything. Here, you can either start making your trap, or you can either start making your trap and not finish this, because I'm not gonna do a time lapse. Just want to see if you guys have luck. And then you're gonna take this. Yep, you can just see how to make it one more time. Darn it. Okay. Put this right there. Yep. Again. Ah, crap. I'm just gonna suggest you start building yours now, because I'm just setting mine up again. I wish you guys luck with your traps, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hope you have good luck. Bye.